Prodex Hybrid HWL product line, designed to offer thermal and acoustic insulation solutions. We developed an insulation solution to keep your spaces cool in summer and warm in winter. Our HWL line offers the ideal solution for construction and renovation projects. Make sure the existing roof is clean and free of any debris before installation. For the installation, you will need a metal strap, strapper, drill, self-drilling screws, utility knife, 1-inch brush, contact cement, the necessary rolls of HWL, and scaffolding to access the roof. Place the end of the metal strap at the height of the roof structure and position it in the center of the distance between supports. The separation between each strap should not exceed 4 feet. Advance with the metal strap through the structure until you reach the other end. Once you've completed the path through the structure, tension the strap using a strapper until you achieve a straight line between both ends. It will be necessary to fix the strap to the structure with screws. Carefully lift the insulation to the first anchoring point of the structure. Place the insulation on the first strap, ensuring that the reflective side is facing the roof system. Advance with the insulation along the structure over the path of the previously installed straps. Bring the HWL insulation to one end of the structure. Secure it using metal straps and screws, ensuring that all layers of the insulation are included during the screw anchoring. Once the insulation is in place, align and secure the other end of the roll against the roof system structure using straps and screws. Repeat the previous steps with the following insulation rolls until the entire roof area is covered. Ensure that the rolls are properly aligned and have a lateral overlap of no less than 2 inches. To ensure maximum acoustic performance, the lateral overlaps between rolls should be sealed using contact cement. Remember that contact cement requires 10 to 15 minutes to dry to the touch and allow proper adhesion. The Prodex Hybrid line of thermoacoustic solutions provides the opportunity to create spaces with ideal environments for all activities that require privacy and protection against extreme weather. It is a versatile, safe, and easy to install product in any construction system. Prodex, leaders in thermal insulation for construction.